There are other options.
It's a tumor, and it's pressing against your optic nerve.
Optic. Optic.
It's a tumor, and it's pressing against your optic nerve.
You came out here to try to win me back. You can forget about it.
I did. I flew all the way across the country to reminisce on the wedding photos, get drunk.
Reminisce. Reminisce.
Reminisce on the wedding photos, get drunk.
Joe, lie back down. Lie back down.
Medic. Medic.
Joe, lie back down. Lie back down.
Right angle clamp.
Oh, I'm gonna sterilize everything when I'm done this.
Sterilize. Sterilize.
Oh, I'm gonna sterilize everything when I'm done this.
Not a violent person. I'm a pacifist, but
Pacifist. Pacifist.
not a violent person. I'm a pacifist, but
Twin-twin transfusion syndrome, conjoined fetal twins.
Connected by?
Blood vessels in the placenta.
Meaning?
Placenta. Placenta.
Blood vessels in the placenta.
Meaning?
Talking to yourself now?
yes. No. Damn it. I'm a bad sponge. Leaky sponge.
Leaky. Leaky.
Damn it. I'm a bad sponge. Leaky sponge.
I'm like me. I'm trying to outdo her when she's the victim here.
Outdo. Outdo.
I'm trying to outdo her when she's the victim here. When I found out about the miniskirt, I called her up and took her to lunch.
Miniskirt. Miniskirt.
When I found out about the miniskirt, I called her up and took her to lunch.
They're standstill patient.
C. Bilateral pleural effusion with evidence of subcu edema.
Effusion. Effusion.
D. Bilateral pleural effusion with evidence of subcu edema.
We operate on our patients, that's it.
I know.
I sympathize, I do. It's all.
Sympathize. Sympathize.
No.
I sympathize, I do. It's all.
He's going to die. No pulse. He's going to be dead.
It's a granola bar, Alex.
Granola. Granola.
It's a granola bar, Alex.
In a bloodless field so the aneurysm will rupture.
And cool the body?
To induce hypothermia.
Hypothermia. Hypothermia.
Cool body?
To induce hypothermia.
Privately funded grant.
For educational purposes. We're a teaching hospital. The standstill surgery qualifies.
Standstill. Standstill.
We're a teaching hospital. The standstill surgery qualifies.
We need to start rewarming, Shepard.
Take the bipolars, please. Thank you.
Bipolar. Bipolar.
Take the bipolars, please. Thank you.
Shepard.
Just reminds me of someone I don't like very much. Someone my husband likes a lot, particularly in lingerie.
Lingerie. Lingerie.
Particularly in lingerie.